Good morning, folks. We're adding this link to our lists, Japanese radiation counts. It's been a while since I checked this, but two of you actually redirected our attention yesterday. Some places are registering dangerously high readings. You should check this out and play around. I'll say star water every day if they give me a relevant article. Each week we seem to get more and more about where else we can find water in abundance. Antarctic warming stories are coming in droves as well. Don't confuse the warming event 2.8 million years ago with the one 15 million years ago. Considering I don't think humans caused those ones, just how much of a climate change is man-made versus natural? What this shows is that carbon emissions from human activity were way overestimated. And since the weather is acting wild anyway, you have to strongly question whether humans could stop this if we wanted to. I showed this a week ago. The Madden-Julian oscillation is a measure of certain atmospheric convections, and basically, it serves as one way to determine when conditions favor the development of a tropical low. It is now, quote, late next week, as you see there, and as we reported yesterday, it's more than just the MJO. The jet stream is playing a role. Big weekend focus for tropical development. Wrapping up the articles, instability remains in the Middle East. Ashes, ashes, we all falling down. And China is committed to the UN's version of sustainable development, which I have a feeling makes some of you very, very nervous. The 6.0 hit south of Australia. We had a cat with bubonic plague last week, now it's a squirrel. A fire in the 9-mile nuke plant allegedly is no big deal. Moderate quake way north, and at least 26 tremors at the Kotla volcano. Remember, that's Big Mama. This bright set of regions turning in is snapping and crackling. You may have seen a few eruptions there. NASA sure did. You can see the Enlil spiral showing a tiny CME just missing Earth. You can see it popping out here slightly to the left. We also have 3 tiny coronal holes set to deliver strong solar wind streams to Earth in the coming days. The large one up north has turned away on stereo B. Earth is off to the right as we look at what's coming in the coming days. Those bright regions on the bottom right are the ones we showed on the bottom left moments ago, and this weekend we'll get a look at all these active regions and that mega coronal hole. Enjoy this calm before the storm, folks. That's the news. Be safe.